I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by fixing power and startup rules so notifications can arrive. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, pick the problem app, then disable battery optimization and allow background activity. This prevents Android from sleeping the app. Once done, enable auto start so the app launches after reboot. Next, set power mode to high performance or balanced. This reduces aggressive task killing. These steps solve most silent notification problems because the system stops restricting the app's network and background processes. Now, you'll verify connectivity and system rules that block alerts. Open Settings, right arrow Network and Internet, and ensure the app can use background data on mobile and Wi-Fi. Data Saver can block push messages. Then clear the app cache and update both the app and system. Outdated services can break notification channels. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't silencing the app, and set the app's notification priority to high so messages show as banners. Together, these steps restore reliable delivery. Finish by testing, and if needed, deeper fixes. Send a manual push or message to confirm notifications, then reboot the phone to apply system-level changes. If alerts still fail, reset app preferences or uninstall and reinstall the app to rebuild notification channels and permissions. If problems persist, check Infinix-specific security or Smart Manager settings that may block background tasks. And as a last resort, consider backing up data and factory resetting. This clears configuration issues that block notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.